Good afternoon. Weather clicked on to the long range weather forecast discussion for April 6th to the 20th. I hope everybody has a good Easter. We're going to look first at the period for April 6th to the 10th. And we still have our ridge here near the Aleutians, trough here over Alaska. Zone of flow forecast across much of the country. You can see here all the models are good agreement. And we have an upper ridge here south of Greenland. Now during this period we will have, let me go see, yep, okay. We will have a Pacific system that'll move across the nation. And here it is right here at the surface. And this will push a cold front eastward. And the system will cause, we'll back up a little bit. This will cause snow and rain across portions of the northern states. And then we go further into the period Thursday and Friday, it moves into the eastern states as it tracks up through the Great Lakes. This will be Thursday and Friday period. Okay, that's the only main weather producer. And then we'll have another trough approaching the west coast during that time. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for April 11th to the 15th. And we still have our ridge here, trough building into the western states from the Bering Sea. And we have above normal heights here south of Greenland, zonal flow again across the country. However, the European ensembles has an upper low. We'll look at that over in the east, with below normal heights, and also builds this ridge into the western states. Now we'll take a look at the ensemble means, and here's the upper low here, and here's another system moving into the southwest. This is the only model that shows that. As we look at the European, is this the right map? Let me see, back up a little bit. Oh, right here. This is the GFS. Has the upper low, is a little bit slower, bringing the upper low into the eastern U.S. So this shows the probability of an upper low here developing in the eastern states. And we take a look at the ensembles. The European ensembles is faster with this system and has it here along the east coast. So with that said, I'm forecasting for this forecast period. Forecasting below normal temperatures here with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures are forecast here with the numbers of 4 to 8 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation for this part of the nation. And I'm forecasting the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation here with the possibility of an upper low. And the probability of occurrence is 40%. Taking a look at the period for April 16th to the 20th. We have a zone of flow forecast across much of the country. And we have a trough here, ridge remains near the Aleutians. The European ensemble still has an upper low or trough here in the east. And we'll take a look at the ensembles. We'll go to, try to speed up a little bit. And here's the trough here or upper low here on the European ensembles. And we'll take a look at the GFS, has it further to the south, or it could be this system right here exiting the east coast, but there's some kind of building a ridge here. The GFS builds a ridge across much of the country, and you can see right here a building. Try to see if we can draw over it. Here's the ridge trying to build across the country. So with that said, I'm forecasting for this period below normal temperatures for the West Coast states with anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees below normal, and also here 2 to 6 degrees below normal because of that system that being forecast here along the East Coast. And then we have above normal temperatures for this region with anomalies of 48 degrees above normal for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. And for the Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast, probability of occurrence for both regions is 35 to 45%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for April 6th to 20th. Thanks for coming, Jim Only's World of Weather, and have a good day.